Professional product lighting with Fotor AI Relight. Poor lighting can make even the best product look unprofessional. With Fotor AI Relight, you don't need perfect weather or expensive lighting equipment. Open Fotor and select Relight. Upload the image you want to enhance. Choose where you'd like the light to appear. Then click Relight AI will generate realistic lighting automatically. Click Apply to save the lighting effect. Need more refinements? Explore AI editing tools, image adjustments. And creative effects from the left panel. Add custom text and stickers to create a polished promotional image that's ready for your store or social media. Download your finished image in just one click. Stop worrying about cloudy days, uneven lighting, or expensive studio setups. AI Relight helps you create consistent, professional-looking product photos in minutes, making your listings more attractive while saving both time and production costs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and save it.